This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. I will now go to the last 10 years, your last 10 years before retiring. Top 3 big, either lessons or realizations that you've had in the last 10 years.
Kasi by that time, I'm leading a lot of people already, no? Mm-hmm. So one lesson that I think that as people go up the ladder will have to be in their mind is that you have to win the heart to win the mind. Alright? Mm-hmm. Kasi di ba may mga minsan leader dahil nabigyan ng authority at ng titulo. Mm-hmm. Mando rito, direksyon doon, direksyon dyan, di ba? Mm-hmm. Okay. Nagpapaliwanag naman, pero ang paliwanag, panay logic lang ang pinaano, di ba? Okay. Mm-hmm. People will follow you, pero compliance lang. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Minimum lang. Okay. Pero kapag nakuha mo yung puso ng tao, hindi ka lang yan susuportahan up to a certain level. Ibibigay niyan sa'yo yung todo-todo na pwede niyang ibigay. Kasi bakit? When I say win the heart, you have to demonstrate with so much sincerity na yung ginagawa mo sa kapakanan ng tao. Mm-hmm. Dapat ganoon eh. Okay, I'll give you an example. When I was CEO, I think I'm only one of the few in the who did this. Diba, normally sa company, ang parating binibigyan ng pansin, let's review the customer's journey, correct? Mm-hmm. Yung customer, okay? When I was CEO, one of the first things that I asked my HR to do is let's review the employee's journey, alright? Kasi pasasayahin mo yung parati natin pinasasaya yung ating customer, hindi natin alam kung sumasaya yung empleyado natin. So we must track the journey. Ano yung journey na yon from the time na nire-recruit mo hanggang sa mag-retire yung empleyado. So, pinakikita mo ngayon sa tao mo na talagang seryoso ka na tanungin yung bang bawat journey nila, masaya ba sila? Is it meaningful? Is it worth their while? Kasi pag nasa iyo yung tao mo, ibig sabihin, they for grants many of their other opportunities outside, di ba? So, responsibilidad mo na yung empleyado mo, yes, maayos ang katayuan sa iyo. So, now, if you're able to do that, hindi by words only, but by real action, alright, makukuha mo yung puso ng tao. At pag nakuha mo yung puso ng tao, mas madali nilang tatanggapin kung ano yung gusto mong ipagagawa sa kanila kasi naniniwala sila na yung gagawin nila kahit mahirap sa pakanan hindi lang ng company but also by themselves and their families. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, winning the heart. Winning the heart first, no? To win.
Yeah. Oo. Okay. And to me, very sa akin to very kasi nga I'm a people leader alright? Mm-hmm. Again, ako lang isa sa maraming presidente. Sa ex ko namin, yung meeting namin every month ng lahat ng top executives ko, ang sinabi ko sa corporate secretary, maglagay ka ng agenda dyan, yung good deeds. Ano yung good deeds? Hiningan ko ng 2 pangalan yung lahat ng aking top executives na gumawa ng mahusay kada buwan. At sinusulatan ko yung mga yun. Right? My point is, we were conscious to see who amongst our people are doing well and we have to recognize them. Kasi can you imagine pag ikaw na nakatanggap ng commendation from the president, hindi ba pagsasabi mo yun sa mga tao? O di kakalat yun. Ngayon, it can inspire people to do a better job as well para makatanggap sila ng ganung klaseng commendation.
Yung commendation letter from the CEO noong 1997, nakatago pa sa akin ngayon.
Di ba?
Ganun siya tinetreasure ng mga tao.
Totoo. Tapos, alam mo, isa pang aking habit, no, when I was CEO, at the start of every week, I send out email, birthday greetings to all of the employees celebrating birthday in that week. Hindi na-expect ng mga tao yun. In fact, nakatanggap ako ng isang reply sa email. Ang sabi ng empleyado, Dear Secretary to the CEO, pakisabi naman kay Sir Aibee, maraming salamat for asking you to greet us. So akala ng empleyado, yung secretary yung gumagawa. Hindi niya alam ako. So sinagot ko, no need for the secretary. This is Aibee. Happy birthday. Kailan mo ako ililibre? Mga ganong klase.
Which means that people really don't expect the CEO to do that.
Small things matter. Sabi nga nila, no? Hindi naman parating... Kasi expected na sa CEO dapat may utak, di ba? Okay? Pero ang hinahanap ng mga tao kapag CEO ka, may puso ba yan? O yung utak ba niya ginagamit niya sa tama? Di ba?
Okay. May mga additional lessons na rin tayo dito on how to be a CEO for those who are working their way up, those who are maybe in middle management positions or senior management. Not everybody can become a CEO, no? But I believe more and more people can think like or act like or speak like a CEO in their own little ways. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.